Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet fingering designs, different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Most attractive and most amazing collection for those ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. So dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, then you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman fingering designs and other jewelry like crochet woman necklace designs, bracelet designs, anklet designs, baby jewelry also, and other material like crochet women long dresses, short dresses, skirt designs, bodycon dresses, quarter dresses, crochet women fingerless gloves, long gloves, scarf designs, poncho designs, caplet cap shawl designs, crochet women cap designs, flowering cap designs, and baby material like crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, crochet baby cap designs, scarf designs also, crochet baby shoes, sandals, slipper also. So dear friends, you can visit my channel and you can see different crochet material. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection.